ready with me as I pack for Gambia. Bathing suits, you already know. Alright, you all, so I decided to take the bus. It was about 12,000 CFA, which is about 20 US dollars, and this was a more economically friendly option for me instead of taking a flight. The bus was very clean. They had tickets that you had to purchase beforehand, and it was very organized. So on the bus now. As y'all saw, they was getting everybody bags up. So we'll see how the ride is. So far, so good. Look like we on time, so that's good. So y'all, I definitely splurged a little on my hotel. If you would like to know more information about the hotel I stayed in and how I got a great and awesome deal, let me know in the comments below. First night in Gambia, and I'm already in my night clothes, y'all. It was a long journey. That bus ride ended up being like 10 hours or something, but I'm here, just had that bomb pizza. So I'm about to head to bed. What was that? Just finished my run on the beach. It was a great workout, so we decided to stop at Black and White Juice Bar here with Muhammad. He just made some fresh bao juice. This is like the Senegalese staple, the bao tree, and it's really good for your health. It's very good nutrients in it as well. So make sure y'all come and check him out. Anything you want to say?
Brother Muhammad. Muhammad, tell us what's in the juice.
I have a bubble juice, mango juice, grapefruit juice. I have any juice, ginger, everything is here. Put from the tray. I climb it myself.
Is it made already or you make it fresh here?
Yeah, I make for myself fresh one here.
Okay.
Yeah, fresh ginger.
Oh, look, you climbing right here. back to my channel. It's day 3 here in Gambia, and honestly, so far so good. Like, it's been relaxing. I've also gotten to see a little bit of the city. Well, I'm in Serekunda area, so Gambia is the country, but we have like Banjul, Serekunda, um, Brufut, all of these different places. But yes, it's really nice so far. The resort has been lovely. Honestly, I didn't plan a lot of excursions this trip because I really just wanted to relax and enjoy the vibes.
Later that same evening.
So Friday was very relaxing. I didn't do much at all. I didn't even leave the resort. It was much needed rest. So as you can see, Gambia has a lot of potential for growth. So if you've ever thought about visiting or moving to an African country, definitely look into Gambia. So on Saturday, I was reconnected with one of my DC fam, and we were able to visit the mall and get some grub. It is Ramadan here in Gambia, so a lot of places were closed, but we were able to get something to eat and also visit Brufut Beach, which is lovely.
I know it is a lot.
I hope you all enjoy this Gambia vlog. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.